Good morning, all my YouTube people! My name's Elon, this is Shani, and if you're new to our channel, welcome to the Beastie Beauty. Ugh.
And here's our day. We had a pretty amazing day today.
First, I had to pick up this lady from the doctor's.
And he tried to pull my own prank on me, which didn't work.
Roll the clip. So after my amazing prank,
we decided we needed to go shopping, and on the way to go shopping, we got a phone call from an annoying telemarketer, but we decided to turn it around and make it funny, so we messed around with him.
Listen to this. I got selected for what?
To be one of our special guests since we opened a brand new travel company here in Las Vegas, Nevada.
You're lying. No, you're lying. Are you being serious?
I'm not. Yeah.
Oh
okay,
my God,
so
you won?
I won.
How?
I don't know. How did I win?
Okay, as I was saying, you are invited to be one of our special guests here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Of course, in exchange of our time and effort, you are guaranteed to receive 2 round-trip airline tickets.
Oh my God!
We're from Mexico. Woo! Okay, so when can I pick those tickets up?
That was a very good question, both. Fair enough, right?
Oh, I get it. I have a question for you.
What?
Have you liked and subscribed to our channel yet? Go like and subscribe. You're gonna love the videos.
What are you doing, sir?
What do you mean, what am I doing? You're on a vlog right now. You're gonna be famous. What a douche. What a douche. He hung up.
They always call me from Southwest.
Every day. Alright.
And then they return like... To make this day even more funny, we got to Costco and...
I've decided to make people's life exciting.
Or annoying.
Exciting. Shopping with my baby. My girlfriend's pissed off that we were first in line and we're getting our food last. You know what I tell her? It's better to be pissed off than pissed on. Are you my girlfriend? Girlfriend? Oh, there she is. Mom? I've been looking for you all my life. Mom? Hi, Mom! It's Mommy!
Not your mommy.
You're not my mommy?
Nope.
Oh, man. I'll go find her somewhere else then. We love you. Make sure to like and subscribe. Beastie Beauty. Okay. What are these?
Fiber one.
Are these gonna make me poop?
Yeah.
Have you had them before?
Yeah, before.
Did they make you poop?
I guess so. I guess so. I guess so. I guess so.
Okay. I guess I'll go poop. Mom!
Hi.
It's Mom! Yay, Mom!
Oh, would I love to have a
Can I
son that
coming
looks
back
like you?
home? I'm coming back home. Dinner?
Oh, well, you'd have to be mac and cheese.
You're making me mac and cheese? Yes. I love mac and cheese. Let's go, Mom.
You've lost your accent.
Oh, man, that sucks. Okay, Mom, I'll see you some other time. Bye. We love you. Huggies.
Oh, more hugs, more hugs. Thank you.
Yay. Oh, is this Dad?
No dad here. I don't even know the girl.
You would like to know though, huh?
Just for a little bit.
You want a number?
No, that's okay.
Mom, can we have your number? Dad wants to go out on a date. What is this?
It's an energy bar.
Oh, you know what? We always get these, but we're gonna try them because we're hungry. And they're amazing too, yeah.
Get them all the time.
We buy them every time we come here.
I love these. I don't like big ones, but boy, I do like that.
Yeah, they're so much better than 2 of them. You're only allowed to have 1. Come on.
Well, that was an exciting Costco trip.
Amazing. Now to the car. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar.
People hate me for some reason. Now that we got back home,
We just wanted to talk about some of the horrible hurricanes that have been hitting the United States and the other countries. Because one day everyone woke up in Houston and everything was just gone.
Hunters flying into the eye of Irma.
This is actually the strongest hurricane in this part of the Atlantic.
So with that being said, just continue praying for all these countries and all these states and everything that's going on, and just always be thankful that you're able to do what you're able to do in the morning. Well, that was our day.
Thanks for joining us.
Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share our videos. We really enjoy making these. We have so much fun. And we'll see you back in a few days.